Little did we know that we were about to walk into a scene from The Way, one of the most beloved Camino movies ever made. We had set out that morning on the Camino Francés, walking from Roncesvalles through rolling farmland, ancient wooded paths, and the kind of quaint stone villages that make you slow your pace just to take it all in. Window boxes overflowing with flowers, the kind of simple, perfect Camino moment you never forget. Old bridges, fellow pilgrims all moving in the same direction, drawn toward Pamplona like a slow and beautiful tide. We watched sheep grazing in the hills, stopped for lunch at a little market beside a shady park. It was a gloriously sunny day. We had made the wise decision to stop for the night before Pamplona. No need to push hard after crossing the Pyrenees. And checked into our hotel for the night. The Hotel Akerreta, tucked into the tiny village of the same name in Navarra, is a beautifully restored historic farmhouse, and fans of the way will recognize it immediately. Several scenes were filmed right here. We are at the Hotel Akerreta, but there's some interesting Camino trivia that happened here at the hotel, and it had to do with the movie The Way. Martin Sheen's character comes to this place and stays, and he meets Sarah here. The first thing the morning that he leaves is he comes out on this balcony, and Martin looks down from the balcony, and where Wick is standing, he sees the host of the hotel using a tablecloth like a matador's cape. Just a little bit of trivia for you. Thought you might get a kick out of that. Wick and I have walked this Camino more than once, and we can tell you without hesitation, the Hotel Akerreta is worth a night of your journey. Sleep where Martin Sheen and the cast of The Way slept. Stand on that balcony. Sit at that table. The Camino has always had a way of surprising you. So tell me, who will you meet on your Camino?